Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a character AI bot. Creating character AI bot involves designing an AI personality that can interact with users in an engaging way. First of all, visit Character AI and sign in or create your account. After logging in, click on Create button and select Character. Now give your bot a unique and relevant name. After that, you need to type the tagline. You can also leave this empty. Now type the greeting message. Write an introductory message that the bot will send to user when they start a conversation. You can fill in the character description field to define your bot personality, role, or purpose. Now you can select its voice. Click on the drop down and select any voice from here. After that, you can go to a more option and type the character's backstory or how they want to talk. After that, you can select its visibility. Click on drop down and select one of these and click on create character button. So that is how you can create character in Character AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.